This version of Cajun shrimp pasta reminds me of Florida coast restaurant shrimp. I'll use milk instead of cream to keep the calorie count down. Fresh or frozen shrimp, I like them peeled and cleaned without tails to avoid that mess. Even cooked shrimp will work. Everything goes into one pot, less to clean up. Shrimp and milk do need to be kept refrigerated, so as boat food, it's best at the dock or for same-day cooking. Let's cook. The ingredients are, of course, pasta, shrimp, fresh or cooked, these were previously frozen, red or yellow bell pepper, tomatoes, green onion, milk, cornstarch to thicken the sauce since there's no cream, Cajun seasoning, olive oil for frying the shrimp. Everything will be made in just one pot. Let's start with cooking the pasta. We're making this for one or two, so a cup of pasta is about right. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I like these fusilli or rotini because they pick up a lot of sauce with each forkful. While that's cooking, season the shrimp with the Cajun spices and let them sit to absorb the flavor. Slice up some red bell pepper. I like the taste and the color. Green pepper taste is way too overpowering. Chop up some tomatoes. I like cherry tomatoes for their flavor and that they are portion controlled. Use as much as you need, no waste. Chop up some green onion. When the pasta is done, drain it. And set it aside. A bit of oil into the pot and fry the shrimp for about 2 minutes till the shrimp turn a nice pink. Add the peppers, add the chopped tomatoes, add the chopped onion, and saute for another 3 minutes or so. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch to a cup of milk and mix well, and pour that into the shrimp mixture. bring to a low boil to thicken for a minute. Don't let it burn, and don't let it get too thick. Now, return the pasta to the pot. Add more spices and garlic powder to taste if you wish. Let the pasta heat. Serve. With a garnish of green onion. Enjoy! So there it is, a low-calorie shrimp pasta with a southern taste.